Good evening, viewers. Meghalaya today recorded 41 new active COVID cases. These 41 cases include 36 from East Khasa Hills, 3 from West Jaintia Hills, and 1 each from West Khasa Hills and West Garo Hills. The 41 cases include those from the Armed Forces, CRPF, returnees, and high-risk contacts. With these 41 new cases, Meghalaya now has 580 active cases. These 580 cases are spread in East Khasa Hills 479, West Khasa Hills 4, Ribhoi 52, West Jaintia Hills 13, East Jaintia Hills 15, West Garo Hills 11, South West Garo Hills 4, and 1 each in East Garo Hills and North Garo Hills. Along with these 580 positive cases, Meghalaya has also recorded a total of 192 recoveries, out of which 8 were recorded today alone.
Out of 41 cases, West Garo Hills we have got 1 returning from Assam, that is Guwahati only. Then West Khasa Hills returning from Assam 1, West Jaintia Hills 1 returning from Jammu and Kashmir, and 2 are the high-risk contacts from Amlaram case. East Khasi Hills, we have 36. 6 are armed forces returnees, all from Bihar. 14 are returnees, civilians. They are 4 from Bihar, 1 from Dubai, 8 from Assam, and 1 from West Bengal. And 2 are CRPF returnees. Under the category of others, we have got 5 who are positive from the who are high-risk contacts of one of the positive case at Latgor, Greenwood wedding cluster. 4 from Negrams, 1 is a staff nurse, 2 are positive from a patient, high-risk contacts of a patient, and 1 is a patient. 1 high-risk contact of one of the positive cases from JL, 1 high-risk contact of one of the positive cases at Saipung, 1 positive case of a high-risk contact of a patient at civil hospital, 1 is a tourist taxi driver, and another 1 is a high-risk contact of one of the tourist taxi drivers from Nongrim Hills. Nil, yes, South Garo Hills, those 2 have already recovered yesterday. No, it is like this. During the high-risk contacts, we had found out that there were these high-risk contacts of the particular doctor in the hospital. So we had tested all those high-risk contacts, and we had got these positives. 2 staff nurses, or one nurse, 1 lab technician, 1 patient, and 1 attendant. These have been quarantined, and contact tracing has been done, and we have gone for antigen test for all the others. So far, we have got negative. Okay. Kata jingsa kada ada yang lalu menin. Tamang ikut sama briefing menin kami orang itu.
One patient itu CRPF.
Hard. And that 1 positive now is the father of the child. We've got to.
Betul kena riwayat. Sebenarnya tu.
Mana ini?
Mau pulang.
Anu keparu layak.
Civil hospital. Tamang ilale look at contact tracing. Ni tip na ikiyo ini ta kamot nila contain iki nila boy ki apa isolation apa covid ward
Pun kini kio bro lagi high risk contact ni tu doktor kio.
Ni shim gum ta tang ba nong nim da don ne ka jing kuslai nomor nilaya ban contain iki klo na do basta.
Doktor, ini bang ini returnees dan don. Apa yang kini ki exit dan belakang untuk apply trade pada mulai buai. Kumlu gini gibri gi orang apa?
Kan kini gini
suara. Orang setiap.
Suara fulai.
Kiwan suara.
Suara fulai kon slam kat report.
Kini zikir dengan number dan kini returnees pak.
Ki kini bon kini armed forces.
kini kita lihat tes asam membawa government.
Kini armed forces jog spy. Meaning BSF tikim mancho. Ni kishu ai kelum mingi hang ni. Haru munta kasi gelong arp saw hajar sam besar. Tang mahab yang minus kita ke menin bom mencisi. Mo.
Doktor budi bukan ya kau.
Hot.
Kes apa amaran. Mana ni yo ni ko preslis ko ba ku breu ba yo nang kai da ke picture ko nang itu akan kijan ba. Tuntas tu on harus fakta ko nang lo ko mo ni cha.
Yo ngam stu yang balai.
Ko preslis mo mi on ni ko pun pa ba ku breu ba yo amaran nang ta ko. Dia
Hot.
bak ko kes apa ko tan rong negatif. Tuntas ni pak yo ki video amaran ko ke harus fakta tu no.
Hot. Ngitip begini negatif dan nomor balai ni ong negatif iki ngi pates biang. Jadi gini rungin lek kumjo. Takadang sa ong ipi bangin dadan e jing kusai. Even ka civil hospital ru kanang kumjo. Ngim na kusai kan. Namar rungin la khales sibinar kanang negatif. Taka ju kusing. Taka mod ngim na ban kano ino ru. Tapi ngin niat bet daka kat kum ka jing kami ki jong pi doktor sang tu pos hospital.